Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing your appointments is important so you don't overlap your schedule. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Calendar, here on the top menu, you want to click on Tools. Once you do that, you're going to click on this Integrations button right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to scroll through until you see this button here, Calendar. Go ahead and click on the Connect button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, and you want to click here, Connect Google Calendar. Okay, next Google is going to open up the browser, so you want to go ahead and choose the Google Calendar you want to connect. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Google will warn you that they're going to share your name, email address, and profile picture. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next you have to choose the permissions for HoneyBook. I'm going to go ahead and select all, and then I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, next the pop-up's going to happen. So do you want to share HoneyBook calendar events into your Google Calendar? You can turn that on. Also, you can choose to show your Google Calendar events inside HoneyBook. I'm going to leave that on. And next you want to click on Save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Calendar is listed off here to the left. So now my Google Calendar is sharing information with HoneyBook and vice versa. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.